Let's look at exactly how this magic works. Take the letters C and H. Normally, C makes a K sound and H makes a H sound. But when you put them together, poof, they do a little magic and drop those old sounds completely. Together, they make the brand new CH sound. You know, like the beginning of the word cheese.
Let's take a look at some other famous letter friendships. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how common these teams are in the words we literally read every single day. When S and H team up, they make that quiet sh sound, like in ship. N and G? Well, when they get together at the end of a word, they make this humming sound, like in strong. And actually, W and H are a bit of a funny pair. When they get together, they just make the W sound, like in the word well. And you've definitely got to watch out for these two unique pairs. You'd probably think P and H would sound completely different, but together, they magically make an F sound. No way, right? Then we have Q and U, who are practically inseparable in English. They team up to give us that cool qua sound. I want you to literally do this with me right now. Let's practice the physical mouth position to get this sound just right. Put your tongue right up at the top of your teeth. Got it? Now gently blow out some air and say the number 3. Do you feel that soft little breath of air? That is the soft TH digraph in action.
But wait, because T and H are a bit sneaky. We just practiced the soft breathy sound in 3. Now, let's try the hard version, which actually vibrates in your mouth almost like a Z. Say the word brother out loud. Brother. Do you feel how completely different that TH feels compared to 3? Same exact magic friends, two totally different sounds. Grab your detective hats, because vowels absolutely love to use multiple spellings to make the exact same sound. For the long E sound, you can use 2 E's, like a buzzing B, or an E and an A, like the ocean C. And the A sound, it can be AI like in rain, or AY like in play. It's incredible how the same sound can be created by completely different magic friends. And then there's the double O digraph. Just like our TH trick from earlier, these 2 O's can make a short sound, like the sound in book, or a much longer ooh sound, like when you go visit the animals at the zoo.
And this brilliantly illustrates how vowel teams have so many clever disguises. The ow sound can be spelled OU like in house, or OW like in cow. The oi sound can be OI in coin, or OY in boy. And get this, the OR sound can actually be spelled OR or even AW. You really have to keep your eyes peeled for these tricky combinations. Okay, this next one is hands down the trickiest of all. 3 completely different looking digraphs. IR in girl, UR in surf, and ER in mixer, and they all make the exact same sound. They look totally different, but sound identical. Mastering these tricky little combos is exactly what makes you a true reading champion. You have absorbed so much amazing information today, so let's play a quick game. Which magic friends complete this word? We have a blank space followed by ip. Your hint is, it sails on the water. What 2 letters make that beginning sound?
Yes, the answer is SH. The word is ship. S and H are the magic friends we need here to make that smooth SH sound. Great job if you nailed that one. All right, let's try one more.
Question number 2. Which magic friends make the A sound at the end of this super fun word? We have P and then a blank space. Think back to our vowel teams. Which 2 letters team up to make that A sound at the end of a word? Any guesses? It's A. The word is play. A and Y are the magic friends that give us that long A sound right at the end. Huge congratulations, you are officially a certified spelling detective.
The crucial point for the parents and home helpers watching is this. You can easily reinforce all of this magic at home. First, definitely keep using that magic friends analogy to explain why the individual letter sounds just disappear. Second, physically practice that tongue-to-teeth position for the soft TH sound together. Use a mirror, it really helps. Third, remind them that tricky pairs like WH just make a simple W sound. And lastly, turn OO words into a fun guessing game. Ask, is this a short sound like book or a long one like zoo? Now, learning certainly doesn't stop just because this explainer is ending. I want to leave you with a real challenge. Now that you know the secret of the magic friends, how many digraphs can you spot hidden in the books around your home right now? I mean it. Go grab your favorite book,
flip to a random page, and start hunting for those magic friends. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next explainer.